Well, hey there, YouTube. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name is Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader. Here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Can you imagine 2 videos, 2 days in a row? Amazing. Guys, I just thought this roller coaster ride was a little too volatile for you guys to leave you alone on it. So I thought I'd hold your hand through the different moves that we might see. So guys, I'm just here to offer my help as a friendly trader. If I can help you, I'd be glad to. You get daily help in the Discord. Love to invite you guys in there. If you're not part of a Discord or a trading group, man, you don't know what it's like to trade in community. It's amazing. And we have one of the best communities out there. We were live for about 3 hours this morning, just watching trading, price action. It was awesome. All right, with that said, guys, don't forget, not financial advice, just sharing my view of the market. Let's jump in. All right, I want to look at Ethereum today because, Ethereum is just looking super bullish from my perspective. If you look at the 1 hour chart, which is what we're on, you'll see the white lines that I have here. These are key daily levels, okay? This top daily level is the last high. Let me go back to the 6 hour chart, and you'll see this high right here on the daily, where the daily closed. Right there. So if you looked on the daily chart, you'd see that I marked it per the daily levels. And then these are 2 other daily levels that I just noted as important daily closes as well. So these are the areas that I'd pay attention to on the way down. Now, that said, we have right now hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. You'll notice here on the 4 hour chart, man, it's amazing. Ethereum is just so bullish right now. Let me get this off the chart so you can see. There we go. Shoot, it's amazing there. So right down here on this peak, you'll see that slope to the upside, while you got the same slope to the downside on that. That's hidden bull. That means the RSI is reset on the 4 hour, ready to start working its way back up on a 4 hour basis. Does that mean we bottomed? Not necessarily. We might have a bit more to go down, maybe. We might come hit the low one more time and then go. Or guys, we could just simply go up for a 3-wave move back to the upside and then pop down again for another 3 waves. Again, roller coaster in it. But right now we do have a 3-wave move already there in place. So the 3-wave move may be done. We may be ready to rock it out of here over the next day or two. Okay, it is midweek. Might be getting a midweek reversal. Midweek move where we get, boom, start heading up. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But right now I got 2 ideas. I'm thinking either we get a move back to the upside and maybe 3 waves and then another hit to the low. Maybe we get down to these levels down here before we find support, or we've already found our support from the breakout of price from the latest top. We came down, touched support, and now we're ready to start working our way to the upside. What would that look like? Well, something like this. And then go, okay? So we could start getting moving pretty quick over the next couple of days. So we'll watch and see. That's the bullish idea. A more corrective idea says, hey, we're going to get some kind of a 3-wave and then maybe another move down. It would now, depending on how high that 3-wave move comes, we could come down very quickly and then reverse, or we could come down a lot more slowly in increments to the downside before we find support, and that would be a WXY correction there, okay? And then the final idea that I have, just sharing ideas, guys. This isn't me knowing where price is going. This is me telling you wave structure, and I meant to say that on the outset. Guys, what we do as Elliott wave traders, we look at wave structure to see where price might be heading, okay, to plan trades and whatnot. So to help you plan where price might be going, we'd be watching for this move to finish consolidating and then another move to the downside. We might be getting it now. In this very moment, we might get another move. It consolidate a little deeper and then more downside. This may have the potential to come on down in 5 waves. So we'll watch that and see what happens there. Okay? So that's kind of what's going on the Ethereum chart. Looking at BTC, same kind of thing, guys. Same kind of thing, except I've got you on the small time frame, 5 minute. This may be wanting to play something like this. We'll see. Where you get boom, boom, boom. This comes up here. It could come up super fast, take this top out, and then all of a sudden you've got a flat on your hands like that, and then it comes down for a deeper wave later. So again, looking at those possibilities of wave structure. Let me get on a different chart here without all those indicators there. There we go. 15-minute chart would be good to see. You'll notice, actually 15-minute chart is not one. Yeah, okay, that works. You'll notice here on the 15-minute chart, guys, we've got, let's see, we had a top right here. This was 5 waves, ended something. We got divergence there. That's what we look for. It's beautiful. Then what? Well, we got a 3-wave move. Boom. We got a flat, like I said yesterday, and then looking for the downside. Yesterday's video called that out. Now, the question is, what's going to happen from here? Well, either we just go down to continue. We got a trend line here that I'm watching, so we could go down and hit this low, stop hunt the low, or guys, this is actually a little bit of a reversal. We get a pump up here, take this top out. We could get a 3-wave move back to the upside, and that becomes a WX, and then we get a Y wave to the downside. That would correlate with the more complex idea I shared with Ethereum. Okay, so there's all kinds of stuff that could happen in here, but just know, to make it simple, guys, that I've got 2 counts that take us up here. I've got one count that says, hey, we could just get, oh, come on. Sorry, we could just get a 3-wave move here. Okay, retest this breakout right there and then down again. And that would also be a WX and a Y, just a different formation, right? We're looking for this to be 3 waves maybe here, or maybe that was the 3 waves in the middle and this is 3 waves to the downside. Either way works with me. It just depends on what the market wants to do. And there are different wave structures that can happen. But what I want to show you is, what I want to explain is, this is the roller coaster we've been talking about. Okay, down and then up. Okay, now down again. Okay, that could be a finished move as well. It might be finished. It might need one more hit to the low, but it could be done. We've come down to support. Okay, and we do have a trend line support there, and then we could get reversal out of that. That would correlate with the really bullish move that I just shared in Ethereum as well. So guys, I'm bullish on the higher time frames, guys. Bullish on the higher time frames. If you'll look at the chart, you'll notice the hidden bull all over this chart, guys, all over it. It's hiding from you. You got to learn how to see it, but that's a pullback to support. Let's see if we get a move out of here now. Okay, pretty bullish. Don't know if we're going to get to hit to the high and then go down again and find support down here and then go. Or I don't know if we're going to get maybe just a moderate wave here, then another hit to the low for a WXY like that, and then we go. But either way, looking for support in this range. If she wants to start dumping today, which I imagine is possible, it's my final count. If it just dumps straight through all this stuff, which is possible, we've got targets down here at 25.5. So we'll be watching support down here as well. All right, guys, didn't want to leave you just clueless. But, guys, if you want to learn how I look at the market from an Elliott Wave perspective, you want to learn Elliott Wave, learn my trade setups, how I trade with Elliott Wave, and what we do as a group, we'd love to have you in the Discord. Just come on in. You become a Patreon supporter. Promise you money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the Discord after your first week. If you hate it, you don't think it's a good value, you're not learning anything, then no worries. No harm, no foul, no hard feelings. My Discord won't be for you, but you'll find that you're gonna love it in there. So come on in. Don't wait. We got a big bullish move coming. You want to stay on top of the waves, guys. I'm not gonna be making videos every day forever. I'm just trying to give you a taste for what we get and what you get in the Discord, wave by wave analysis, so you can be prepped for what moves could be coming next. All right, guys. Have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you later. Leave some love in the comments. Let's help that YouTube algorithm. Share me on Twitter and blow up my channel. That would be an amazing thank you if you like the content. If you like what you're seeing, just say thanks by sharing the content. I really appreciate it. All right, now we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.